Hello, dear friends! You are on the channel Happy Decoration. With you, I'm Anya Kovaleva. Today we will make a giant lilac flower. This flower grows in Russia in April. My mother loved this flower very much. So this workshop in memory of her. My flower is large. Its size is 24 or 16 or 10 inches. You can change the size of the flower and make it any. For the bud, we need a plastic pipe. She walks over to the stem of the flower and puts it on. I have a pipe length of 27 inches. Just need a cardboard. I have different size of rectangles. There are 6 of them in total. Along the pipe I make notes where I will stick the cardboard. I will glue the cardboard from the bottom of the pipe, from large to small. In the center I make a hole and put it on the pipe, sticking. I made the form according to my sketch, but in the process I modified the form. Cut of the extra corners, the base for the flower has become rounded. Next we need a grid. I have a grid of birds. The mesh needs soft, green and fine weaving. We will glue the mesh on the base. I paste the grid to the cardboard with hot glue. I also use a stapler. At the bottom I collect the grid and fasten with wire. And wrapped with Scotch tape. At the top of the pipe I glued the grid with hot glue. The basis for the sketch is ready, but you can change these bases to your taste and make any shape for a flower. And now we will do many little flower. For this we need farmiran 2 mm thick. Now let's make a template. Cut a square 3 by 3 inches. We fold 2 times. And now we draw a flower petal and cut out. I will outline the template with a blunt object. In total, I carved 500 pieces of small flowers on my lilac. This is a big job, but it turns out the flower is magical. And now we will form flowers on an iron. We need a washcloth and any rounded items. I took the toys from my daughter. If we press any object on the hot farmiran, it will take its form. And so we will form all the flowers. We form a flower. Glue a lot of many small flowers on the base. Making this flower, I remembered my beginning of creativity. In this technique, I made large numbers of cardboard. I linked to this workshop under this video. In the process, I changed the base, made her more rounded. When we have pasted all the small flowers, we start looking for big holes between them and fill them with flowers. Acrylic paint drop points. Our big flower is ready. Do you like it? If you have questions, please ask me. Share your work with me on Instagram. I put a link to it under this video. Friends, Under this video is specified account PayPal. You can help me develop the channel and get the best workshop from me. Put likes, write comments and share with friends. Glad to try for you. With you was the channel Happy Decoration and I, Anya Kovalyova. See you soon. Bye bye.